Hi, this is a training video for Team WUKAR. My name is Peter Dudek, and the title of this training is Millions and Millions and Millions of Videos Needed. In this video, I'm going to talk about why Matt needs your help creating videos, what's in it for you to be on this team of people making millions and millions and millions of videos. I'm going to tell you about my new favorite video creation software tool, and then finally we'll end the video with an assignment of what you should do next. So let's get into it. First of all, Matt's presentation. I've got some slides here that show these are Matt's slides from the very first mastermind we did when we first found out about this whole thing, and I'm not going to even pretend to redo Matt's presentation. I'm going to do a recap. So it was an awesome presentation. Essentially, Matt talked about how there's a great opportunity for doing SEO for long tail keywords. It's extremely fast and easy to rank for long tail keywords now. We can get massive traffic by having massive quantities of videos ranking for these massive numbers of keywords. And he showed us a graph showing how the long tail keywords can actually rival or even outnumber the activity for the main keywords in any given niche. And in an example, he talked about hotels, how there's roughly 100 brand names of hotels in the United States. And then he gave an example of a long tail keyword phrase. So for example, a long tail keyword phrase or keyword would be book room at Grand America in Salt Lake City. Then Matt also introduced the concept of spin tax. Spin tax is where you have some variables in a phrase and then you just use every single combination of all of the variables in the phrase to create a large list of keyword phrases. In this example, the keyword phrase has some words that are all the same. Book at in. Okay, book at in. And then the variables are room, hotel suite, hotel name, and then the city or the suburb. So for example, book a room at the Marriott in Salt Lake City or Phoenix or Jacksonville, Florida. So anyway, using that, you can see that using spin tax, there can be millions and millions and millions of keyword combinations you can come up with just in the travel niche. And Matt showed us this formula, and I've got that on my screen here. Let me get it up here so we can show you. So here's that calculator, the combinations and permutations calculator. We're going to do combinations. And so I've got it set here at one sample point in the set, and one number of sample points for each combination would give us one video that we need. Well, what if we have 10 possible keyword variables and we want to make we want to choose two keywords out of those variables? Well, we could calculate that. We would need 45 videos. What if there's 100 possible combinations and we want to do 3 words out of those combinations? We would need 161,700 videos made to cover all of those keyword phrases. What if there were 200,000 possible sample points, possible keyword combinations, and we wanted 3 words out of each of one of those 200,000? We would have, well, basically we boggle the mind of the calculator. It goes off the charts. So getting back to Matt's presentation, you can see that it's a huge number. Then he says there's more. It can be even longer tail. So and that's just travel. So you can also get into all of the shopping combinations. There's buy, shop, purchase, there's brand names, product names, there's trillions and trillions of combinations. Matt told us that there's seriously unlimited traffic. There's no competition because nobody else is going to be doing this. It's just too massive. So we have infinite scalability. So at this point I'm going to get out of Matt's presentation. I think you get it. There is an unlimited number of videos that need to be made, and that's why Matt needs our help. So let's get into what's in it for you and me to participate in this team video creation. Well, we already know that the magnitude of the project is huge simply because of the trillions of possible keyword combinations that we could rank videos for. What we don't know, what's unknown, is the significance of any one particular video. You or I might create a video that kills it and gets a lot of customers to sign up for Doobly. Or more likely, any one particular video we make is not going to contribute that many customers. But you never know which one you make is going to actually win and start getting customers. More than likely, all of them are going to be getting some customers if you scale it out and let them just ride over time at the top of Google for that keyword. So we're building something that's going to be lasting for a long time and will grow and grow over time. But like I said, the significance of any one video is unknown. So I like to think of this as like a lottery ticket, like we're all working at the same office and we decide to do a pool and pool our money together and buy a crap load of lottery tickets. So let's say we all throw in $10,000 and there's a bunch of us and we end up with just piles and piles of lottery tickets. Well, maybe we all throw in a certain amount, different amounts of money. Maybe I throw in 5,000, you throw in 2,000, your wife throws in 25,000, whatever. And everybody throws in different amounts of money and buys lottery tickets. So, but they all go into one great big pool. Well, let's say out of all those lottery tickets, we hit it, we win the lottery. So we divide up the winnings based on how many lottery tickets we bought, and that's the rotator that Matt's talking about. So, but the main thing that's awesome is we're all in the pool together. So that's why you might want to make videos as a team, because you have no idea which video you make is going to hit it, and by participating as a team, we get the benefit of everybody's work helping us to make money, and the rotator helps distribute that according to how we have contributed. So let's get into my new favorite video creating tool. It is Video Maker FX. It is an awesome tool. It's fantastic. I've been messing around with it. I've made several videos. It's super easy to use. You end up with really good high quality videos. They render out really fast and they upload to Google or to YouTube really well. They look great when they're on YouTube. Video Maker FX is freaking awesome. And so what you need to do, somewhere on or around this video, maybe in the description or on the page next to it or somewhere, you're going to see a link to buy this software. And if you don't see the link, you can type it in your browser. It's www.themarketingmoron.com/videofx. So go to that link, and I highly recommend that you purchase not only the basic Video Maker FX, just every time they offer you something, just get it. It's not very expensive and it's very, very useful. What you're going to end up with is a bunch of sets, a bunch of different animation sets that you can use, and then you're on a monthly program where every month you get new animation sets that you can use. It's really, really, really cool, and it's not that expensive. So I got everything. Every time they said, "Do you want this?" I said yes. So I bought everything they had, and it's all great stuff. So get everything. Here's what you should do next. Of course, click the link to Matt's link to Video Maker FX, buy everything, and then log in and look around. Just start looking all over. It's really not that hard to use, but just look around, get familiar with all the parts and pieces of Video Maker FX, and then play around with the software. Make a practice video. Just do something crazy, weird, fun. Make a video. So that's what you should do next. Coming up in the next training video in this series, I am going to demonstrate making a video with Video Maker FX. So until then, this is Peter Dudek. I'll talk to you next time.